It's hard to beat the taste of authentic 파씨유.
The wide, flat, fresh noodles used are hard to get outside of Thailand.
So we had to use dried noodles, but even so, this recipe is a winner.
You can use less garlic if you want, but don't skip this part. You must mince finely.
Sometimes I blend a big batch of garlic and freeze it for a lazy day.
Slice the carrots rather thinly.
Because I can't access Chinese kale, I sewed something similar. As long as the greens don't have a bitter taste, they're good.
Bitter greens equals bitter pad see ew.
Right.
Prepare a couple of eggs. We're not adding meat today.
Siyu means soy sauce, pad means stir-fried.
So, pad see ew means stir-fried with soy sauce. Make sure you coat the sides of the wok with plenty of oil. Move the carrots to the side. Remember to coat the wok before dropping those eggs in.
Tilt the wok left and right, making a thin layer with the eggs.
Now flip the layer.
If the oil was well spread, the egg will flip with no difficulties.
Now add the sauce and a quarter cup of water immediately.
Unlike fresh noodles, dry noodles need some time to cook and soak up that sauce.
Think about fresh pasta versus dried pasta. It's the same. Now add some stems. Waste not, want not. But of course, this is optional.
After the greens are added, 5 seconds of cooking is enough. Turn the heat off.
Look at that.
You know what? These are my favorite Thai noodles.